Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and it's your boy Will Uzumaki, aka the Fresh Beast, aka it's Dante, aka the Crafty Kid, aka I got a long name, but you can call me whatever, but I prefer Will. So today we're gonna be doing something very different than playing video games. No horror games today. Today we're gonna be doing a react video to a music video called Rainy Days, and it's by V from BTS. So I see this video right on my front page, and I guess it just recently dropped. So I figured I might as well just react to this video. This is gonna be my first time reacting to anything, so please, go a little easy on me. With that being said, let's jump into the video and see how this music video is. Okay, we in. Oh wait. Too advertisement. YouTube is getting too comfortable. Anyways. Is that my phone? Oh, it's in the music video. Okay, my guy V.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Wishing I had find the way right back to you. Rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say.
So far I'm liking it, and I'm not just saying it. I'm liking it. I've been liking V. V, he got that soothing voice, especially for this type of song, this type of beat. I kind of like it. It's soothing. You know what I'm saying? It's soothing.
Wishing I had find the way right back to you. Rainy days, like staring at my phone, like cage, hoping for your call lately. I've been on.
Wait, sorry, I didn't mean to pause again. But is this all gonna be in English? We'll see.
Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say.
Okay, I'm gonna
find the way right back to you. Rainy days, like
rainy day about you.
Stop it. Get some help.
what to say. Wishing I had find the way right back to you. Rainy days, like
I like the visuals though. I like the visuals.
remember how I used to make you laugh the most.
Okay, so it's a mix. Okay, so it's mostly chorus, a little English, and then he adds in some Korean stuff, which is okay. I like that.
Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over.
Over.
Clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. Come out and Apache, and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing I had find the way.
Is he painting himself?
Right back to you.
To you.
Rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wishing I had find the way right back to you. Rainy
Okay.
days, like
Rainy Days. V. Love Me Again. Well, there it is. That is Rainy Days by V from BTS. Here's my opinion on it. So my opinion on this, right? Alright. So I like it. It's Susum. I like the music video. I like the music video. I like V. I like the song. It's Susum. It's like a more calm chill song. You know what I mean? So I can vibe with it. You know, on like a rainy day. On a rainy day when it's raining outside hard, you can hear the rain outside. You just play the song. I feel like it fits perfectly for that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. All right. So that is the rainy days. Yeah, that's my reaction, I guess. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to end it now? Like, I don't know. All right, I gave it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. So, while I give this 2 thumbs up, you can also give me a thumbs up down below just by clicking that like button, please. I don't know if I'm gonna continue doing reaction videos. Maybe I might add it in here and there. But for now, I hope you guys enjoy my reaction and my opinion to Rainy Days by V from BTS. Just wanted to put it out there again. So I hope you guys did. And if you guys did, you guys know what to do. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and you know, maybe I might do more. Maybe I might react to more stuff. Alright? So I'll see you guys next time. You guys have a good day, and peace.